Don't you think we should get back to work?
A. I will be returning by then. B. Okay, but in a minute. C. Sure, let's get together tomorrow. Don't you have to leave soon? A.
Yes, I left it there.
B.
No, I still have some time.
C.
At the bus stop.
Do you want me to talk to John about the presentation?
A.
Yes, that would be great.
B.
I'll buy the presents.
C.
No, he didn't want it. Tim's the head of our new department, isn't he?
A.
He's ahead of everyone else.
B.
I took a look at the apartment.
C.
Yes, he got promoted.
The library closes at 9 tonight, doesn't it? A.
I borrowed some books.
B.
Yes, it is very close from here.
C.
I believe it does. Are you going to the seminar today?
A.
To give a speech.
B.
Right down this hallway.
C.
I'll be there at 2.
You like Chinese food, don't you? A.
Yes, I do.
B.
No, I didn't eat yet.
C.
At the restaurant.
Have you thought about which computer you are going to get? A.
Yes, I've made up my mind.
B.
I think it's correct.
C.
To look for a website.
We're eating out today, aren't we?
A.
Yes, it's in the right order.
B.
We did yesterday.
C.
No, let's order in instead.
Hasn't John left for his meeting yet?
A.
I'm going in a short while.
B.
I think he has.
C.
Maybe I'll leave it there.
Are you going to get Rick to write up the report?
A.
It was very helpful.
B.
Let's go another time.
C.
Yes, I'm thinking of doing that.
Have you read the report yet? A.
It's about 20 pages long.
B.
I just came into work.
C.
The book is on my desk.
Isn't Mr. Smith usually in his office in the morning? A.
Mr. Smith is our manager.
B.
I'll talk to him this afternoon.
C.
Yes, he normally is until 11.
Will he leave for another business trip soon?
A.
I think he might.
B.
He left it there.
C.
To the head office.
Ms. Jensen will be available to meet with me today, won't she? A.
No, there is someone sitting there.
B.
I need to reschedule my plans.
C.
Let me call her and find out.
Tonight's concert was beyond expectations, wasn't it?
A.
Sure, I'll be attending.
B.
No, it was very fun.
C.
I'll write a good review of it on the web.
Have you notified our staff about the change of location?
A. I didn't notice it, sorry. B. I've just relayed the message. C. I haven't checked the board. You've met Ms. Kim before, haven't you? A.
Sam introduced her this morning.
B.
I missed the annual meeting.
C.
After the reception party.
Have you handed in your travel expense receipts yet? A.
Yes, I submitted them yesterday.
B.
Yes, I could use a hand here.
C.
No, I went to New York last month.
You are not thinking of driving in this weather, are you?
A.
No, I'm going to take the subway.
B.
Well, I'll drive then.
C.
I really don't like the rain too much.
Hi, is Mr. Lee available for an appointment this morning?
A. It should be available very soon. B. I'm seeing him at 10 o'clock today. C. Let me check his appointment book.
If you have to, you can come by and take a look at the report, can't you?
A.
He came by with the report.
B.
He's taking the news very well.
C.
Yes, I'm available any time today.
Is today your last day here? A.
Yes, I'm moving to San Francisco next week.
B.
Let's make it last a little longer if we can.
C.
No, I've been here many times before.